Got the Crown Vic back in the shop, cleaned up the shop. We got a couple more builds. Got a Honda Civic and a hatchback. We got a lot of builds going on. We got a Fox body in the back.
I don't want to know that Fox body, just saying.
We got a lot of plans for this thing right here, bro.
Shoot, we got a lot of plans for this over here. Got the turbo going in it here in about a month or so. B20 swap. Come factor with a 1.6 auto.
Give y'all some info about this Honda Civic right here. This Honda Civic was dirt trash when this guy bought it.
$900.
Bought it for $900 in a month. He done all this to it. Made it look like a brand new Honda Civic.
Interior, engine swap, trans swap, paint job, wheels, tires, full suspension, sound system. You name it, he done it. All the way down to the steering wheel. It's got the B20 VTEC block, B16 head, Type R cams. Frankenstein swap is what it is. They about 180 to 200 to the wheel. Took it to the track, letting out of it, ran a 14.8. Not too bad. You know, we get the turbo fabricated on here. We're shooting for 12s, low 12s, high 11s. Start off small, go bigger.
You said what, weighs about 2,300 pounds?
Yeah, 2,300 pounds without the driver. We're gonna try to get the Crown Vic in that area.
When he gets done with this, it's going to the hatchback.
Oh yeah, hatchbacks, a whole lot louder.
Like I said, we got a lot going on in a couple months. I got something big coming up in my life that I'm gonna start building. I'm not gonna say nothing until it actually happens, because I don't want to get y'all hopes up. Got the whole front end off this Crown Vic now. We done a little bit on the Honda. He had to go do something, so he didn't quite finish. Literally have everything disconnected. Literally all we have to do is take a plasma cutter to it. And it's game on from there. Brake lines getting rerouted. No ABS. We gotta jack the car up. Cut the exhaust off.
Build one of them over there.
You gotta build one of them stands so the car can be completely off the ground and you can roll it around if we need to.
Full tube chassis, first one that we know of in the world. Crown Vic. 2,500 pound car.
If anyone knows another Crown Vic owner that has done this before, please have him hit us up. Maybe we can talk, get some ideas or whatnot. Today we're cutting the exhaust and get the transmission out. There you go. No update. Yes, that's the transmission. Yes, we got the whole thing taken apart. We got the transmission out, exhaust cut off. Now we're working on getting all these freaking wires out.
Factory wiring system throughout the entire car. I bet you there's 40 pounds of wires there. We're gonna weigh them when we get done.
But
All four doors, pretty much. All the relays, the computer itself. Everything. All the ones we hadn't undone is for the field system and the tail lights. Those are the ones running back here, still as you can see in the cab. And we're gonna finish trying to pull this big old mobile wire through the firewall. That's what I'm working on right this minute.
And eventually we're gonna cut all this nonsense out the doors. Weight reduction.
All 4 doors are being gutted, Lexan all the way around, including front and back glass. It's gonna be one hard job. A lot of time consuming. We're doing floorboards, which is why I'm getting everything cleaned up and getting it out of the way. All the stuff up front, that's gonna come out of the dash, right up in here. Between dash and fender wheels, you're looking at another 50-60 pounds. The exhaust was about demolished. That's what 100,000 miles of dirt roads will do to the exhaust. Give or take, not really. Pretty good bit. We will be having a transmission coming up for sale here shortly. I'm gonna put a drive clutch in it, $100, and it'll be good to go. It's already built. If y'all wants one, y'all know where to go to.
Alright guys, like we said, we're gonna go ahead and weigh these wires so we can get an exact estimate of how much weight we're losing just off of wires. So Dalton here is gonna weigh himself, pick up the wires, and subtract with 166.2. I gotta pick up all that freaking wire. You know it's heavy when you struggle through that wire. It's not want to work. $197.8. That's 30. That's 30. We're at 30 pounds. 30 pounds of wire.
There was over 30 pounds. I know I'm weak, but come on now.
30 freaking pounds.
God. 30 pounds just in wires. I mean, the computer was included in there. The relays.
When I say we gutted it, we gutted it.
And there's not hardly one wire in this car.
Don't know what that was, but don't matter.
We don't need it. Yep, next is we're going to build the frame we were talking about to set the body on, and we are going to go to cutting.
Let's get started.
Yeah, you know, we've made a lot of progress, and we figured we'd have a little fun. We're not going with the factory steering wheel no more. So, we're going to throw this. This is the factory airbag. We did the passenger side, we didn't get it on video. So, we kind of know what to expect with the driver's side. I guess we can see what happens. It is raining, so here we go. Yeah, ready? It might not do anything, it might. I guess if you hit a wall at 80 miles an hour, you're screwed. That's what happened to me anyway. Round two.
What?
Nothing. All right, round three. What? Now the other one you didn't have to have a sensor. I don't know if this has got like a sensor on it. I'm gonna let it bust. I reckon it ain't gonna do it. Sorry y'all, this is just a blooper.
Disappointment.
The last one went poof. This one probably go poof out my face and I'll be in the hospital.
Purchase your tracks today.
Half of the floor
No, we're gonna lose weight.
gone.
Look at that frame. That shit's thick.
Full blown drag car here. Thick ass frame.
Have to clean these edges up a lot.
Well,
Firewall. Gone. Floorboard. Gone. What we're gonna do is get some sheet metal, right?
Yeah.
Sheet metal, we're gonna do the front, and then we'll do the rest of the back half. Got a lot of measurements, got a lot going on still. Long way to go. And eventually, when we get the frame built, we'll cut the frame.
right here. Hold on to both sides.
But
Just drop down for the lower control arms.
that's it for right now.